Happy New Year's Eve. Today we're gonna light up fireworks with my friends in the forest. Check out my new whip. Yeah, I don't have one, but I can make it happen. Let's go. Come on.
Hello, sir.
Hey.
What did you just hide?
Nah.
Do you know why I pulled you over?
Nah.
Oh. Because there have been sightings of people lighting fireworks, and it looked like car was used.
Huh.
Yeah. So be careful.
Okay. I gotta get there fast cause this cop wasted my fucking time. Hey guys.
Yo, he's AFK.
Where's Luke?
Oh, he's coming.
Okay. So. What we doing?
You already know what we are gonna do.
Oh. Well, we missing the other guy.
Believe so.
He's here.
You know.
Hey,
What's up?
dude.
Ready to set off the night?
Hell yeah.
Aight, check this out.
Oh.
Damn.
Yep, and a gun.
Oh, we're definitely not letting people sleep tonight.
For real.
LOL. Moo. Now,
That's crazy.
LOL.
well, once the time hits, we all hit it up.
Bet 10 seconds.
9,
8,
7, 5, 4, 3,
2.
1.
Run.
What?
All. It's gonna explode.
What? What the? Oh my god, dude, did you see? Happy January 1st. Oh no, please, speak to me.
I can't talk. I'm dead.
Oh, right. No.